Hello, my beautiful people. I am so excited today because we have something new, all right? We're doing seated cardio, super low impact. We're gonna get our heart rate up without jumping, without getting on the floor, without even standing, all right? And it's just so much fun. So I can't wait to get into it with you. So let's get started. All right, we will be doing 3 sets. The first one, I talk you through what we're doing a little bit more, proper form, all that good stuff. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We just go straight through the routine. All right, starting with our first exercise. It is a cardio classic. We are doing jacks, jumping jacks, seated jacks is what I'm calling them. All right, so what you're gonna do is come to the edge of your seat. All right, we want nice space to move. So edge of your seat, and like a jumping jack, we're opening our feet and bringing our hands up at the same time. So starting down here and boom. And there we go, we have our seated jack. So much fun, and you can actually feel it working. I feel my core nice and engaged to help me balance and move here in this position. So it's just so great, so much fun. Let's do it. 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath and let's go. All right, so here I want you to keep a good posture, all right? Nice straight spine. You don't want to be down here because that's not really going to do much for you. All right, so chest is up. Whoop. Chest is up, your shoulders are pushed away from your ears, all right? Tight core, straight spine, very good. And strong arms, no flimsy arms, all right? Moving with intention, very good. Big breath, fast paced if you can. If not, go ahead, take your time, get used to the movement. That's what this first set is all about, kind of getting familiar with the exercises. All right, so 3, 2, 1, very, very good. Go ahead, shake it out. Next, we have seated side jumps, all right? So from jumping side to side. But what I want you to do here is put your hands together, and we're gonna kind of twist our upper body, our hands to the opposite side that we're jumping. And I'm gonna give you variations, but this is my first one. All right, so I'm jumping to the right, and I'm torso twisting to the left. So boom, boom. So this is the jump, very good. This is the jump, and then here with the upper body. All right, if this is too much for you, go ahead, hold on to your seat. If you don't have these here, you can hold on right here, and then just jump with your legs. Look, I'm already out of breath. My heart rate's already up. This cardio is awesome. I'm super excited about it. All right, so boom, to the side. And if the side to side is too much for you, go ahead and just do jumps like this. You're using your core to bring your legs up and down to balance, even because we're sitting on the edge of the seat, all right? Or you could just go slow, all right? You can go slow. So different variations there for you. The full one would be this, all right? Choose what works best for you. 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go. Side to side, very good. And again, with that posture, keeping yourself upright. I'm a little backwards. That's what's helping me kind of do this movement. I'm just leaning a little bit backwards, but still with a straight back and a straight spine. It's actually causing me to engage my core even more. So go ahead, find what works for you. Very good. We're almost there. And 3, 2, 1. Come down, very good. Big breath, and moving on, we have seated cross kick crunches, okay? So hands out to the side, all right? And we're gonna straighten one leg, so kick it forward and reach with the opposite hand. Boom, 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 all right? If the straight leg is too much for you, go ahead, keep that knee bent, do a high march, all right? But bring it back to the side here. So if you just kind of keep it here, you have less movement, but we wanna get that heart rate up, so arms out to the side, and boom. All right, so straight leg or bent knee. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go. So I'm reaching for my foot here, but if you can't reach for your foot, no worries. Go for your shin, all right? Or like I said, your knee. You can even do the knee, reach for the knee with a straight leg, okay? So it doesn't have to be bent. Many different variations there for you. using your core muscles to bring up your legs, to twist, to reach your foot. All right, making sure you always come back to that straight. So I am going, crunching a little bit to reach my foot, but coming back up straight, all right? Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and arms down, shake it out. Very, very good. Next, we have seated quick feet. This is fun. So it looks exactly as it sounds. We're just gonna go boop, 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 really quick with our feet. So one at a time, boom, 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 boom. So to balance, you can go ahead, keep your hands in front of you on your hips if that feels more comfortable, or if balancing and just doing those feet on its own are too much, go ahead and grab your chair. That's what it's there for support if we need it. And we go quick, 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 all right? Engaging your core muscles so you can go as quick as you can, keeping that posture, all right? 30 seconds, big breath, and let's go. Go, 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 quick, 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 quick. You got this. We're halfway through. Ooh, I'm feeling this one in my legs. Alrighty, almost there. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1, and let go. Very good. I was laughing because I tried talking as I did the quick feet and it was like a little vibration. All right, so moving on, we have 5 exercises in this one today. I was too excited to only have 4 exercises in this set, so we have 5. Last but not least, we are doing a seated reach and tap, all right? So remember, we're at the edge of our seat for this entire thing. Big breath, all right? So we're gonna reach over our head, and then tap with the same foot. Come back and same thing. So same arm, same leg, reaching opposite ways, nice straight line between those, all right? And come back. Boom, 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 all right? If doing the arm and the leg are too much, go ahead, hold on to your chair and then you can just do the leg, or you can go ahead and just do the arms, all right? 3 variations there for you. Big breath, and let's go. Whew. Very good. Remember to keep your rib cage closed even though we're in a seated position. You don't want to splay out, all right? So boom, locking it in, keeping a nice straight spine. Very good. Breathing, having fun, smiling. Awesome job. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, very good. Relax. Big breath. And there we have it. That was our seated cardio workout. Set 1. We're gonna take a few seconds, grab some water, breathe, stretch, center ourselves, and then we're going for set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, that means less talking, no talking, and more doing. We're going straight through the routine. We have our seated jacks, and then we have our side jumps. All right, then we have our cross kicks. All right, then we have our quick feet, and then we have our reach and tap. All right, 30 seconds each. You got this, big breath. Starting with our seated jacks, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Side jumps, big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Big breath, cross, kick, crunches, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Quick feet, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Calm down. Quick feet. Big breath. Reach and tap. 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Stretch it out, shake it out. Big breath. And there we have it. 2 sets done and dusted. So much fun. You're doing amazing. Take a second, grab water, and then we're doing set number 3. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 3, you got this. Keep up the energy, you're doing great. Starting with our seated jacks, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Side jumps, big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Big breath, cross, kick, crunches, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Quick feet, 30 seconds, and let's go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Calm down. Quick feet. Big breath. Reach and tap. 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Stretch it out, shake it out. Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets of our seated cardio. So much fun. My heart is beating. I'm sweating. I hope you are too. I hope you had fun. Let us know in the comments below. And then don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell. That lets you know when we post so you don't miss out. And I really, really hope to see you on the next one.